www.gibsonTruckWorld.com 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 LS Crew Cab Duramax Diesel Allison Transmission 4-wheel drive 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and Carfax 1 owner. Do not make a $3K plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills and have the truck inspected by a third party. Riding on $1,000 of 4 brand new 285 Nittos, black Nerf bars, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States. 12 months free maintenance, $1,000 value. From our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for